Welcome to the Storybook Galaxy.
The topic of today's story is Shadow, the haunted house.
It was a cold Halloween night when Sam, Ben, Tia, and Dia found themselves in front of the spookiest house in their town. Sam couldn't contain his excitement. "This is perfect for Halloween," he said. But not everyone shared his enthusiasm.
The rusty gate creaked loudly, sending a shiver down their spines as they stepped closer to the house.
Standing before the door, they felt the weight of the house's history. "What's behind this door?" Tia whispered nervously. As the door creaked open, the air grew colder. Each step inside was like walking into the unknown.
The hallway seemed endless, each step revealing more of the house's forgotten past.
At the end of the hallway, they found a door leading to the basement. What secrets awaited them below? "We should check it out," Sam said confidently. Tia wasn't so sure, but curiosity won over fear. Step by step, they made their way into the basement. Every creak of the stairs felt louder than the last. At the bottom of the stairs, they found an old chest, but it was the strange noises that sent chills down their spines. Inside the chest, they discovered a family photo, but something about it felt unsettling. And then, a whisper came from the shadows, soft but clear. "Leave. This is my home." "We should leave," Tia whispered urgently, but Sam wasn't ready to give up. Before they could decide, a ghostly figure appeared, its presence both haunting and sorrowful. "Why are you here?" the ghost asked, its sorrowful tone filling the room. Sam tried to answer with courage. The ghost revealed its lonely tale, a story of love, loss, and endless searching for family. "We can help," Sam said. Together, they devised a plan to bring peace to the lonely spirit. The ghost expressed its gratitude, its glow brighter now as hope returned to its eyes. With the photo at the center, they worked together to help the ghost find its way. As the ghost reached for the photo, a magical connection began to form, and the room filled with light. The family appeared, glowing with warmth and love, reaching out to the lonely spirit. It was a moment of pure joy as the ghost and its family finally reunited, even across worlds. With a final word of thanks, the ghost found peace and disappeared into the light with its loved ones. The basement was quiet again, but the group would never forget what they had witnessed. As they left the house, a sense of peace washed over them, and the night sky seemed brighter than ever. Sam spoke of courage and compassion, reminding them that sometimes even the scariest things are just seeking peace. The house stood silent and still, but it no longer felt lonely. Peace had returned, and so had joy. Sometimes, the things we fear are just looking for kindness. With compassion and courage, we can bring light to even the darkest places. If you like the story, then do like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.